All right, guys, you saw it. Boom! I don't have the ball, which is there, but the chair, I want it to be like you. The chair and the ball, so you know exactly what's going to happen. I'm targeting the legs, I'm targeting your bum today, and I just love it. Vous savez exactement ce qui va se passer. J'ai une chaise pour être comme à la maison, comme chez vous, à la place de la barre, et mon petit ballon. On est prête, on va travailler les jambes et les fessiers. Ok, c'est parti. We don't need the chair to start with. We're going to open the legs here. Relaxing your shoulders. On est en position, en deuxième position. On va ouvrir les genoux sur le côté. I'm going to open my knees to the side. And this is very important because I do not want your knees to go here. Je ne veux pas que les genoux viennent en avant. And I'm going to go down and lift up. When I'm pressing back up, I'm really pressing into my heels. And I'm pressing on the outside of my feet, not the inside. Donc, ce que je disais, je veux vraiment qu'on travaille l'extérieur des pieds. Quand j'appuie au niveau des pieds, c'est vraiment l'extérieur, pas l'intérieur. Les genoux restent en arrière. And again, and reach and back up. Now, this is a great, it's a great position to be working on your pelvic floor. Oh yes! Là, c'est une bonne position quand même pour travailler sur le périnée. Donc, on va le remonter. We really have to lift it up. And then I'm going to ask you to stay down. On reste. On ouvre les genoux sur le côté. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, arms in front. Les mains devant. Je vais légèrement aller en avant. I'm slightly going forward and I'm going to reach and pulse. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then come back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On y va pour 6. On retourne devant. Je garde la tête au niveau entre les bras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Et je reviens devant. Je plie légèrement les coudes comme ça. Ça ne va pas au niveau des épaules. And I'm going front again. So I'm really hinging from my hips only. And my head is between my arms. I'm slightly bending my elbows this way it does not go into my neck. And come back again and reach. Imagine you've got that wall again. 3, 4, 5, 6. Open the arms to the side and reach up. On ouvre les bras et on remonte. On ouvre les bras et on remonte. Par contre, je suis toujours en bas. Oui, bah oui. I'm still down. Yes. And reach. On inspire, on expire. Je contracte les abdominaux. Oui. And last. Et je reviens. Woo! Okay, side to side. Extend one leg. Then the other side. J'étire une jambe. Ensuite l'autre. And I'm extending and reach. Now, that opposite hand is going to reach my foot. And then I'm going up to ceiling. And reach that foot. And up. Je vais en opposition, appuyer sur le pied, et je remonte de l'autre côté. It's kind of Saturday Night Fever, isn't it? I can't sing it. Ooh, 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 staying alive. And again, that's a stretch. Ce sont des petits étirements également. Et on va faire la même chose de l'autre côté. On est parti. On va aller au pied et on va de l'autre côté. On appuie sur le pied et on étire. On inspire, on expire, on inspire, on expire. Le dernier, your last one, and come back. And then we're going side to side. Good, excellent. Are we feeling it? That's good. Now we are going to go boom, boom. Using your chair and the ball. I'm going to ask you to have your feet in parallel. On va garder les pieds en parallèle. Maintenant, on va prendre le petit ballon et on va le placer au niveau des genoux. We're going to place it where your knees are. I'm going to lengthen from the top of my head. I want you to really lengthen. Feet in parallel. Squeeze your inner thigh. On travaille l'intérieur des cuisses et je vais monter sur la pointe des pieds et je redescends les talons. J'étire la colonne vertébrale, je contracte les abdos. Je monte sur la pointe des pieds et je redescends. And again, left and down. Good, keep doing that. Reach, lift, and you're working on your balance as well. And on travaille sur l'équilibre. C'est pas toujours facile, c'est pas toujours facile. Whoop! And again. Good. Now, if you do have problem with your balance, you can hold your chair. Si on a des problèmes avec l'équilibre, on peut tenir la chaise qui est à côté de nous. Et ensuite, je vais rester sur la pointe des pieds. So I'm on my toes and I'm going to reach down. Careful with your knees. They're not going forward. It's your bums going back. Non, ce n'est pas les genoux qui vont en avant, c'est les fessiers qui vont en arrière. OK? And squeeze the ball now. Squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On contracte les abdos. On inspire, on expire. Je redescends les talons. Your heels down. Then lift. Down and lift. Down, lift, down, lift, and then we're going to stay up. On reste au niveau des doigts de pied maintenant et on va serrer le ballon de nouveau. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Je redescends les talons et je remonte. I'm doing exactly the same. You're all going to start feeling it on your calf muscle here. And reach up, reach back with your bum. On descend les fessiers. Des tout petits mouvements. Tiny weeny pulses. Try to really push your bum back. Not forward with the knees, and that's what I see a lot. Then stay, you're going to bring one leg up. On va monter un pied et je vais serrer le ballon, donc les genoux ensemble contre le ballon. I'm going to bring my knees towards my other knee and I'm squeezing the ball. Of course I am. I'm really working on your inner thigh. You're going to feel that. On travaille l'intérieur des cuisses. Très important pour maintenir le bassin. Et on redescend. We do the same on the other side. On va de l'autre côté, c'est parti. Et on y va. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Allez, 10 de plus. Tellement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And come back. Come back completely down. Good. Excellent. Hands, you're going to place your hands on the ball. And I'm going to reach up here. Reach to the side. Come back. Press the ball with your hands. On appuie avec les mains contre le ballon. J'étire la colonne vertébrale. So I'm really lengthening. And I'm going to go to the side. And come back. We do the same on the other side. And back. Now, open your arms. We're going to open the legs. On ouvre les jambes. On ouvre les bras. I'm going to reach down. Then I come up and I swap the ball for my other hand. Lift and swap. Maintenant, on change. Avec le ballon, on change de main. Et on ouvre bien les genoux sur le côté. I really open my knees to the side. And this is important. And reach. Oops. And we're trying not to do that, yeah? Concentrate. On va essayer de ne pas faire ce que je viens de faire. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. And again, Then stay, tiny pulses. Bring the elbows in and away. In, away. Je ramène les coudes au niveau des côtes et j'étire. Je contracte les abdos. Of course I am. And again. And come back. Come back with the ball in front. Stay here. We're going to press the ball. I'm going to lift one heel off. Je vais soulever un talon seulement. Et je vais ouvrir les genoux sur le côté. I'm still pressing the ball. So I'm really opening my knees to the side. Then stay here. Your heel's going down and up. Down and up. Maintenant, le talon, il descend et il remonte. Il descend, il remonte. Il descend, il remonte. Très bien. On reste en bas. Oui, bien sûr. Je ne sais pas si vous le sentez, mais moi, je le sens bien. OK, on va sourire. On va faire comme si que rien ne se passait. Par contre, je veux qu'on reste en bas. I really want you to stay down. And come down. Go lower. Tiny pulses. Des tout petits battements. Le dos bien droit. I really want your back to be nice and straight. And guess what? We're going to do the same on the other side. So lift your heel and tiny pulses. Open, open. Maintenant, on fait exactement la même chose de l'autre côté. Donc, on va soulever le talon. Des tout petits mouvements. Très bien. Maintenant, on reste là. C'est juste le talon qui descend et qui remonte. Et de 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. Et je redescends et je remonte. Très bien, on va bouger les hanches de chaque côté. We're going to move our hips side to side. Well done. Okay. Are we ready to work on our bum? Let's do it. Okay. Maintenant, on va travailler les fessiers. Je vais vous demander de mettre le ballon derrière le genou. We're going to place the ball behind your knee now. Now, you're going to hold your chair here. Let me go more here. That's it. And then from here, we've done this one before where you're going to bend your knees together and lift it. You're keeping your pelvic square. So your pelvis is facing down. Le bassin est en bas. Donc, je n'ouvre pas la hanche. Et d'ici, je vais plier les deux genoux et je remonte. Plier les deux genoux et je remonte. Down, up. Inhaling, exhaling. Now, there is nothing happening on my upper body. I'm really relaxed here. I want you to feel that you relax too. And reach and lift. Reach, lift, reach, lift, reach, lift. Then reach, stay here. Maintenant, on va rester là. Je vais ramener le talon au niveau des fessiers. J'essaye de garder le genou au même niveau que la hanche. I'm trying to keep my hip to the same level as my knee at the same level as my hip. And I'm pressing heels to bum, heels to bum. Come on, we can do that. We can do that. And then reach back down, open to the side, and reach down again. So both of my knees are bent. Les deux jambes sont pliées. Je vais monter et descendre. 2 et 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, on reste. I'm going to stay. And same, heels to bum. Et je fais exactement la même chose. Je ramène le talon au niveau des fessiers. Et je garde le genou au même niveau que la hanche, si je peux. Ensuite, on va faire un cercle. On redescend, on remonte et on fait un cercle. Maintenant, la jambe qui est au sol, je l'étire quand je vais remonter. I'm going to straighten the leg which is on the floor as I'm lifting up and I'm making the circle with my leg. And reach. My legs are shaking. Moi, j'ai les jambes qui tremblent. Hein? J'ai des muscles, ils n'ont pas l'habitude. And Et de l'autre côté, other way around. And again. Good, last, and come back. Whew. Okay, we're going to move side to side on our hips. On va bouger les hanches de chaque côté. On va déplacer sa chaise. Et maintenant, on va faire exactement la même chose, mais de l'autre côté. We're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So make sure you get the right leg and don't do what I've just done. Okay, we go here. I'm really tired, huh? We're going to place it behind. And from here, on va faire exactement la même chose. Je descends, je plie les deux genoux et je remonte. Donc ce genou vient au même niveau que la hanche. Je descends et je remonte. Et je remonte. So I'm lifting up my knee to the same level as my hip if I can, but I'm trying to keep my hip down. I'm not opening my hip. Plier, lift. Then your last one, stay here. Maintenant, on reste là. Heels to bum, heels to bum. On inspire, on expire. On fait exactement la même chose. On ramène le talon au niveau des fessiers. And I'm going to come down here and reach up. We're reaching to the side. Maintenant, c'est sur le côté. Je remonte. On plie, on étire. On plie, on étire. La jambe qui est au sol reste pliée, oui. C'est ensuite, quand je vais faire le cercle, qu'on va pouvoir étirer cette jambe. Now you're going to lengthen the other leg and bring it back. We're making the circle so the leg which is on the floor can extend. And again. Good. This is really good for your hip. On va vraiment autour de la hanche, là. Très bien. Et de l'autre côté. And we do the same on the other side. Same on the other side. And reach. Reach again. And reach. One more. Un de plus. Et on revient. Woo! I'm sure you're feeling that, yeah? Okay. We're going to stretch your back. On va étirer le dos maintenant. Donc, on va aller en avant. We're going to lengthen the spine here, lengthen the spine. And we're going to tuck under the pelvis and reach back. It's like when you're doing the cat on the floor. C'est exactement la même chose quand on est au sol et on fait the cat. On étire la colonne vertébrale, on remonte, on remonte, on remonte. Et on redescend avec le bassin. On remonte les fessiers en haut et on va à l'intérieur. And again. And reach again. And back. Then, hands going to go over to the other side. So both of my hands are together. And I'm doing the same. Reach. Donc maintenant, j'ai placé les deux mains, les unes au-dessus des autres, sur le côté de ma chaise. Et je fais un étirement au niveau d'en dessous du bras. Et on remonte. Et je fais la même chose de l'autre côté. Then I do exactly the same on the other side. Remonte. Et un de plus. One more. Et on revient. Good. Open the chest. Lift. Et on étire. Good. Excellent. Now I'm going to ask you to go on first position. First position, your heels are together. Les talons ensemble. On va monter et on va redescendre. Je monte et je descends. Je monte et je descends. I'm going to lift and go down. Lift and go down. Then I'm going to stay up. Maintenant, je vais rester en première position. Par contre, je veux absolument que les talons soient vraiment ensemble. On appuie très très fort. I'm really pressing on my heels. And you should feel in that position, it's really working on your glutes already. And now I'm going to go down, down, lift. Inner thighs working together. We go down for 2, we come back for 1. On descend pour 2 et on remonte avec 1. Donc on fait 1, 2, on remonte. On est sur la pointe des pieds. 1, 2, and lift. Squeeze your inner thighs. Down, down, lift. Down, down, lift. Straight back. Are you doing the straight back at home? Good. Now, if it's too much to be on your toes, guess what? Just bring the heels down. Si c'est trop d'être sur la pointe des pieds, il n'y a pas de problème. On peut mettre les talons par terre. Down, down, lift. And down, down, lift. Open your knees to the side even more. On ouvre les genoux sur le côté. Maintenant, on reste. We're going to stay here. Heels together, really strongly together. Les talons très, très serrés. Et maintenant, les genoux, ils vont en arrière. My knees are going back, back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Heels together, les talons bien serrés, bien serrés. Woo! Je vous ai promis quelque chose. Vous allez voir le résultat. Okay? Now the inside leg is going back. La jambe intérieure va derrière. Je descends, je remonte. Je descends, je remonte. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, on descend. Des tout petits battements, je vais en arrière. I'm really going back here because I don't want to put my weight on the front leg. Then extend and reach over. Beautiful stretch. And come back down. And reach over again. Et on redescend. On ouvre bien les genoux sur le côté. On redescend et on remonte. Bien sur la pointe des pieds. Hein? On redescend. On remonte. And reach. And again. Open your knees to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that leg is coming front. Maintenant, la jambe de derrière vient devant. On va faire exactement la même chose. We're doing the same. Reach down and lift. We're going down for 2, 1, come up. On descend pour 2, on remonte pour 1. C'est parti. 2, oops. 1, 2, lift. 1, 2, lift. I really want you to feel it on your glutes, obviously, but your inner thigh. And lift. 1, 2, lift. Come on, we can do it. Lift. And lift. Come on, we can do it. Lift and stay here. We go 1, 2, reach over. 1, 2, reach over. 1, 2, reach over. Last one, and reach over. Good. Okay, legs going in front now, and we go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that chair's going to the side. On va faire la même chose de l'autre côté. Ah, je sais. Oh, heureusement, je vous entends pas. I know, it's hard. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's move our legs first. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's do it. One leg forward, one leg back. Happy, pretty. Up on your toes, reach down and lift. This time, we're going to go 1 and then 2 to come up. Maintenant, je change. On y va une fois en bas et on remonte pour 2. Ouais, je sais, j'aime bien tout changer. Allez, down, 1, 2. Down, 1, 2. Good. Up, up, down, up, up. Now your legs are moving. Yeah, I'm sweating. And again, down, up, up, down, up, up, and stretch now. And down, and stretch. And down, and stretch. On étire sur le côté, on remonte, et on y va. On remonte de l'autre côté et on redescend. Ok, la jambe de devant va derrière. C'est pas fini. Okay, well, we have to finish it, yeah? Let's do it. Go up on your toes. Down for 1, up, up for 2. On descend pour 1, on remonte pour 2. Et down, lift, lift. Open, lift, lift. Open, lift, lift. Come on. And we're going to add the stretch. On va ajouter l'étirement. Bah oui, hein. Ça fait du bien, non? Allez, c'est parti. C'est bientôt fini, je vous promets. Le dernier. And come back, relax. And we're going side to side, moving your hips side to side. And we're going to make some circle. On va faire un cercle avec le bassin. On étire. Et on va étirer la colonne vertébrale. On va étirer la jambe. On va la redescendre. Et 1, et 2, et 3, et 4, et 5, 6. On reste. On inspire, on expire. On redescend. We do the same on the other side. Lift for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We hold it. And come back. Still facing. Now the inside legs coming up. And 2 for 6, 4, 5. Your last one. And come back. All right, guys. It wasn't too bad, was it? Now, both of your hands together. Les deux mains en haut. Et on va étirer les pieds ensemble. Et je les veux en parallèle. Feet in parallel. Come back. And reach to the other side. And again. On inspire, on expire. On revient en position cactus. On étire les coudes en arrière. And reach, reach, elbows back. Tuck under the pelvis, lengthening your spine. On étire la colonne vertébrale. Et on redescend. Et boum, boum, boum. You did it, guys. Well done. Bien joué, les filles. Je suis vraiment très fière de vous. Et je vous vois pour une prochaine séance. À très bientôt.